This video is a quick go-to guide of what to do in Washington, D.C. over Thanksgiving.
Welcome to Free Tours by Foot. I'm Camden, and I'm here to take you around the world for the best travel tips, how-to guides, and tour highlights. To keep finding out more, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to join us on one of our walking tours, visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com.
The end of November brings us the all-American holiday of Thanksgiving. It's usually chilly at that time of year, but not overly so. You can expect to easily survive one of our 2-hour walking tours with just a regular coat. And it rarely snows around Thanksgiving in DC. Find out more about the weather and what to wear on our post linked here. Thanksgiving is a popular time to travel, but it's also a popular time for attractions to be closed. If you're visiting us here in DC Thanksgiving, here are some things you can still do. Take a walking tour. We run tours every day Thanksgiving week, even on Thanksgiving Day itself. Now, which tour depends on what guides are available, but you can find out more on our website calendar. If you aren't in town visiting family and are looking for a delectable Thanksgiving dinner that you don't have to cook, or more importantly, clean up after yourself, the EaterDC blog always has a great list of restaurant specials. Every year, Christmas lights seem to creep a little bit earlier, but it's no holds barred on Thanksgiving. You can start to see the lights that week, and our favorite holiday decorations are at the National Botanical Gardens annual holiday exhibit, which opens on Thanksgiving Day. The Downtown Holiday Market. This is the best place to buy Christmas gifts. You'll find a lot of handmade crafts and goods and snacks, as well as live local music to accompany your shopping. It all takes place just outside the National Portrait Gallery and is convenient to lots of tourist attractions. Visit a museum. So, what's open on Thanksgiving in DC? A lot. All the Smithsonian Museums remain open on Thanksgiving Day for their normal hours. The federal buildings will be closed, so you won't be able to tour inside the Supreme Court, U.S. Capitol, Library of Congress, or National Archives, but that's just on Thanksgiving Day. So join us for a tour of these buildings the days before or after Thanksgiving. You can also still visit Arlington National Cemetery and take our audio self-guided tour, or venture out to George Washington's estate at Mount Vernon. If you're looking to give a little thanks, you can pay respects at the memorials on the National Mall, which are always open regardless of time or day. If we aren't running a tour that fits into your schedule, we have a variety of self-guided and GPS-enabled audio tours to take you around the city. Find out more about visiting DC in November or other things to do around the winter holiday season on our blog post linked below. If you find yourself in New York or London for November, we have videos and travel advice about that too. You know the drill. Like and subscribe to find out more.